tornado in here. It's coming at 5 in Allen County. Please watch it and return to your bunker. It's like this is ef5. Please return to your house and into your tornado bunker. Thank you. What is this? Take a quick look. Yep. Catherine! Catherine, can you check the MPH? I can't a bit. ef5. Report. I think they die. Okay. We got a pro. Yeah, I was just showcasing that. I slide. This is the exact vehicle that I used to inspect that tornado. This is Storm River. Look at this. Storm River 230, 205. Do you see something that I don't see? Because I don't see anything. Dude, I don't see anything. Do you see that? I don't see. That is Human paper, smooth criminal. Ow! I think that no one is for me. It's behind. Dude is behind us, I'm doing. You've been hit by a smooth criminal. What a boom. Ow! Any milk? Why is everyone using the T2? I don't get it. that I would answer this one. Oh, let's make it very fun. What is this? I need to know how many tornadoes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not. We are not doing it. I'm using the fictional. I am so hot. Where's their dough? What the? They didn't deploy it. Three people died. 3 people died in there. Of course, they died in the building. And start again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 tornadoes. What the hell is there 10? There's no tornado right there. So, we're there. Let's go. Where am I at? I'm the bridge, right? You're chasing that one tornado, we'll be chasing this one. Intercept. My bro. Another one's coming here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bro got sucked! Tim got sucked into that one. Okay, so it was Doe, Dominator, Storm Reaver, not mine. And now there's Tiff. Tiff 2, by the way. Oh my god. I think he didn't deploy in time. Okay. Let's see. I'm not gonna die and I'm gonna go for Brian. Survive. Any of you? Come on. What do you mean below the threshold? Oh my god, how did he survive that? I'm not gonna undeploy it. If I undeploy now, I'm gonna wait. Okay. I'm going to go now. Okay, I'm still recording. I thought I was okay. Actually, this is a multi-vortex. An ef5 most. This is a multiple text door. This other one. And this is multiple. Yeah, this is multiple. Let me reveal it. This is not good spot. I'm the closer. Oh! Yeah, that's definitely a multiple text. Vortex is spinning area in the better. Okay. This is still win Russia. No. Okay. I'm guessing this is an ef5. Let's see. Look at ef4. What is this? Multiple. No, man, I'm sorry. Okay, that's all. You think I'm gonna intercept that? Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna intercept that, dude. Yeah, I'm not gonna intercept that. Like, that's too weak. Okay. Yeah, God, dominator. Whoa, 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 dominator. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's this is the right one. Probably only the 3 on the later list. When the radius. Low. Dude! Deploy. Stop. Dude, it looks like they're gonna work. Yep. Those 3. And this is it. I'm down here. What's up, boy? We are inside the tornado. Everything's up. Come on, here. Oh. So red. This is almost it's a near 4. Look. Nothing. Alright. Okay, I'm sorry. Ah! That's all. Bye-bye. Wait. Here for. Yeah, that's all. Bye. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bye.